What's a dead giveaway that someone has come from poverty? My dad never ate when Mom and I did. He'd sit at the table with us, but he always had stomach trouble that didn't seem to clear up until we had finished our meals. Then, if there was food left, he'd say, "Well, I guess I should try to eat something." If there wasn't anything left, he'd say that he just didn't feel like his stomach could handle anything. I didn't realize until I was an adult that he was waiting to be sure that my mom and I had enough to eat before feeding himself, and that he went to bed hungry on more than one occasion. It didn't occur to me what he was doing, because his mother, younger sister, and younger brother confirmed that he'd done this since he was around 10. He went hungry as a kid to make sure that they didn't. Nowadays, even the simplest meal at his house looks like a Thanksgiving feast for an army. But he always fills his plate last and never takes a second helping until everyone else has finished.